Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video we're gonna be going to Minecraft because I'm just very excited for this one because it took me so long to make this. 5,000 views. I'm just gonna wait for someone else to join right now because she kind of helped me. I've been tunneling through the mountain and placed down TNT through a lot of the map. So I'm just waiting for her to join and then we'll blow this baby up. The whole mountain's gonna be gone in a second. Well, not the whole thing, just like whole from there. This goes through the whole mountain, like really deep down. Just waiting for her. Where's this part? Where's this part? Okay. I can't actually reach this up. I'm just waiting for her. She helped. She deserves to watch this. I already told her my channel, but just in case. It's online, so. And by the way, if you think this is pathetic from this part, there's so much TNT inside of here. Like, literally the whole thing is filled with TNT. So there's also a lot of TNT from... there she is. Okay, I'm gonna tell her if she's ready. Ready? Okay, so... are you gonna move? Say yes. No, your choice. Come on. Come. 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 Are you ready? Okay, ready? I spelled that wrong. Are you? Yes or no? Come on. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go back. Oh my god, I think this might crash someone. I have a feeling. Oh no. So thanks for the 5,000 views. That's what the whole video is for. I know, right? Yeah. This is a really big explosion. It went through the whole mountain. Yeah, let's go down. Okay. It's actually pretty amazing. There's a cave down here. I bet you we actually saw this cave while we were doing this. Okay, let's just go from here. Right. Let's just stand back and let's show you the destruction. Well, you can't really see it once you go in the mountain. That's where the big destruction comes. It's like a sinkhole just goes down. Hey, sorry, I gotta go now. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna tell her to go to the channel. Go to my channel for replay. Okay, go to my channel for a replay. It's actually pretty good. Like, that's actually a really decent explosion. So that's all for this video, guys. And we'll see you guys all later. Bye.